All right, so let's go ahead and graph these. -2 up 3 over 1, and it is a dotted line. And we are shading, so 0, 0. So is 0 greater than 3 times 0 minus 2? The answer is yes. Okay. Then we'll graph the next one. So we graph this one. So I have to find x and y intercepts. So 2y minus 0 is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2, and I get y is equal to 3. This is my y-intercept. So I go up to 3. And I make a point. Then I do my x-intercepts. So 2 times 0 minus x is equal to 6. Negative x is equal to 6, so x is equal to negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is solid. Okay. And then the question is 0 2 times 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 6? And the answer is yes. So you're shading below the line, which makes the shaded region, the overlapping shaded region in that area. Okay? All right, so how can you tell? You can tell by plugging in the ordered pair into both inequalities. And it must be true in both. So you could tell by plugging the point into both inequalities. If it makes a true statement in both inequalities, then it is a solution. If it doesn't work in one of them or both of them, then it's not a solution. Okay? Now, I really want you to do question 5. So we're going to do question 4 instead. Suppose you're graphing and they are parallel. So does that mean that the system has no solution? So the system has no solution if when you shade, right? So here's your parallel lines. If your shading has no solution, that means that when I shaded one line, it was here. And then when I shaded the other line, it was on that side. That gives you no solution. But there is a chance that when you shade, you get the region in between, and that would make a solution. So no, not necessarily. Because the shading can occur between the parallel lines. The book says something like about like half planes, overlapping half planes, which is essentially shading in the middle. Okay. Here, all solutions in quadrant 3, which is right here. That would make it, here's the y-axis, which would be x is less than 0. And then below the x-axis, which it would have been y, is also less than 0. Okay. Something in no solution range, I could totally just pick vertical and horizontal lines. So I could go to the right here of something. So I could go right, x is greater than 0 here. And then I could go y is, oh no, just kidding. I could go x is greater than 0 here, and then I could make like another line over here, like at -1, and go this direction, so I can go x is less than -1. That's that parallel line situation, okay? All right, and that is it for this lesson.